Welcome sa ating video. So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa AUP. Itong right side, ito yung ating makikita, Philippine International Church of Seventh-day Adventists. Ayan po. So dito naman sa kabilang side, ito yung gym. No, ito yung gym. So ayan po yung ating makikita, yung gym. At dito naman, maglalakad pa tayo. So dadaanan muna natin yung church. Ayan, dadaan tayo. Tapos meron akong ipapakita sa inyo guys, kung saan ating babasahin ang dadaanan namin, no? Babasahin natin. So dito, so maganda dito kasi ayan, oh, inaayos na dito. Napakagandang tanang. So ito yung church, ito yung aming nadaanan sa mga oras na ito. Dahil dadaan kami dito, hindi namin sayangin yung pagkakataon na mababasa. Welcome po kayo sa aking video. So mayroon lang akong babasahin, dadaanan namin saglit, no? Ito. Yan. Ayan, dito, mayroon, ang ganda, oh. Dito, may 10 commandments, the law of God. So, ito yung paalala sa atin. Whether you like it or not, babasahin ko ito. Ito yung paalala ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin. Kung naniniwala tayo sa batas ng ating Panginoon, basahin natin, guys. Unang utos. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image or any likeness or anything that is in heaven above or that is in the earth beneath or that is in the water under the earth. Thou shalt not bow down thyself to them nor serve them. 3. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain, for the Lord will not hold him guiltless that taketh his name in vain. Number 4. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days shalt thou labor and do all thy work, but the 7th day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. 5. Honor thy father and thy mother, that thy days may be long upon the land which the Lord thy God given thee. And this is number 6. Thou shalt not kill. 7. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor. And lastly, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his ass, nor anything that is thy neighbor's. God said, if you love me, keep my commandments. John 14:15. And that's all. That's our video, and paalala ng Diyos sa atin po ito, the law of God. Narinig na natin, it's up to you kung inyong paniwalaan o hindi. Basta importante, nagpapaalala tayo sa ating video, and bye bye everyone. Rena. So ayan, lalabas na kami sa gate. So itour ko pa kayo sa aking video kasi ito lang naman makikita natin. Kung makakita tayo na to, napakaganda. Ito yung Maria Buhok, and sa kanang side, health service, Seventh-day University of the Philippines Health Service, diba? So makikita natin yung view sa ating video. At least sa video man lang ay nakikita natin. So welcome po kayo sa panonood ng ating video, and malapit na kaming lalabas kasi nandyan na yung gate. Ayan na yung gate. At iikot ko lang kayo saglit sa ating video, at bye bye na sa inyong lahat, at keep safe, and huwag nating kaligtaan yung ating binasa. Mayroon dito nakalagay cluster joy, he was first for our transgression, and by his wounds we are healed. Isaiah 53 verse 5. O, di ba marami tayong nababasa dito. Yan, mag-congrats tayo dito sa ating mga TARP. Yan, congratulations, top 7, 100% AUP passing rate, no? O, nakikita natin guys. So, dito na kami sa gate. Ang ating video is finish na, and salamat sa inyong pag-tour sa ating video, and kami ay lalabas na. O, so dito yung driving area kung gusto nyo mag-aral ng driving lesson dito banda. Ayan. So lalabas na kami ng gate. So antayin natin na makalabas kami. Lalabas na kami. So lalabas kami guys. So bago natin i-in ating video, kailangan maglabas labas para makita natin yung view ng ating gipanood. So, dyan ka lang. So, pupunta, dyan ka lang ba? Huwag kang tatawid ha. Dyan ka lang anak. Ayan po, ang inyong lingkod ay tatawid. Kasi meron ako bibidyohan. So, ito yung bibidyohan natin. Ayan. Para mag-in ang ating live, atin muna itong last. Ayan. Adventist University of the Philippines, the Seventh Day Adventist Silang Cavite. Thank you for viewing, and bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Kami ay uuwi na. Sasakay na kami ng aming masakyan. Thank you for viewing, and watch for more, and bye-bye.